Cryptocurrency continues to make headlines in a very good way. Guys, the cryptocurrency industry is still relatively new. I know a lot of you think, man, it's been out for like a decade already. It's 10 years old. Well, it's just now getting adopted by institutions. And I believe that we could see so much more adoption in the years to come. Of course, as cryptocurrency begins to be embraced here in the United States and we become a hub for innovation, which will happen. Guys, everybody wants to make money, right? The United States is going to be giving up trillions of dollars in wealth if they abandon cryptocurrency. And when that becomes apparent, everybody's going to be doing it. You're not going to, I mean, you think China is going to give up the opportunity to make trillions of dollars? No, they're not stupid. So we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency in this video. We're going to be going over these headlines. And oh my gosh, if you guys haven't seen this brand new token, you need to check out Crypto All-Stars. So I'm going to be going over it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we got Crypto All-Stars on the screen right now, and my goodness, this pre-sale is fresh. It is brand new, and these guys have a very innovative idea that if you own essentially any of the top meme coins, you're going to be able to make a serious amount in staking rewards through this token right here. But first, let's go over some of the headlines. And I do want to mention, if at any time during this video you guys are interested in buying, there's a link down in the description and the pinned comment. It's going to pull you up to this website right here, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in a second. But listen to these headlines, right? You get T-Man owning more than $1 million in crypto and made $300,000 on branded Bibles. Financial disclosure now shows. Okay, interesting. So a guy that once said cryptocurrency was a scam, now he owns $1 million+ worth. Clearly, he supports cryptocurrency. Ripple's case bodes well for other crypto companies battling the SEC. Exactly what you want to see, man. The SEC under Gary Gensler has been very harsh on cryptocurrency. And with the victory of Ripple's case here, it is obvious that cryptocurrency companies are going to become victorious and not the regulatory institution trying to regulate them through law, or not even law, through enforcement of laws that do not exist. It's insane what the SEC is doing. Crypto rallies for Harris. Very interesting there. That doesn't make any sense. That's like, I don't know, funding your enemy because they clearly do not want cryptocurrency to thrive here in the United States. Otherwise, they would have allowed it to thrive throughout the last 4 years. And Mark Cuban, man, don't get me started on Mark Cuban. All right, just calm down. We're talking about cryptocurrency here, not Mark Cuban. We'll move on from that one. This is a very interesting one. Every Norwegian now indirectly owns $27 worth of Bitcoin as sovereign wealth fund ups crypto stake. Very interesting. Now, I know $27 isn't a ton. Multiply it out by all the Norwegians, still, I don't know how much of I don't know how many Norwegians there are. But Norway's $1.7 trillion sovereign wealth fund upped its holding in cryptocurrency exchanges, increasing its indirect Bitcoin coverage by 62%. Guys, as countries across the globe begin to do this, and they will, right? I believe El Salvador was one of the first. As every country across the globe begins to invest, either directly or indirectly, in the cryptocurrency space, the same that they do precious metals and so on, you are going to see a ridiculous gain along the way. Be exposed to it in some way. That's all I got to say. Cryptocurrency All-Stars will allow you to have some indirect or direct exposure based on how you decide to stake and how you decide to hold. Now, you've got some incredible rewards so far, but if you guys are interested in buying, it's very easy. Click that link down there. You're going to click on Connect Wallet, and I like to use Wallet Connect and scan this QR code, but you guys can do it however you wish, and then from there, you're going to determine how much you want to buy. So if you want to grab 1 Ethereum worth, you're walking away with 1.8 million Crypto All-Stars. So let's talk about what you can do with it. First and foremost, staking rewards. Right now, 3,417%. You're talking near 35x increases on your Crypto All-Stars simply by staking. If you could stake at this rate for the entirety of a year. Incredible. Now, moving on from that, this is not the only token that you can stake, but you absolutely want to accumulate as much as possible if you hold any other meme coins. Why? they've got what they're calling a meme vault. Now, if you go through, I'm not going to read through all of the details on this meme vault, but in short, this means that all the top meme coin holders worldwide are brought together under a single umbrella to stake their tokens, incentivized and rewarded for holding stars, the lifeblood of the platform. So we're going to go through the tokens that you can stake, the top meme coins that you can stake here in a second. But if you own stars, they're already creating demand for it. They're creating utility for this token, and it hasn't even launched yet. If you own stars, you're going to be able to increase the rewards that you get for staking things like Shiba Inu coin, Pepe, Dogecoin, Floki, and so on. So you're going to be able to see just how important Stars token is and why you want to accumulate so much, because it increases the amount of holdings or increases the amount of rewards that you can get for holding those other tokens. So coming on down, and you guys can read through all of the information there on your own time. But buy and stake for 3,417% rewards right here. It's going to pull you back up to the top of this this widget. You're going to be able to connect your wallet and so on. Now the price is going to increase in 16 hours. And these guys have already raised about $500,000. So please keep that in mind. Now, scrolling on down, you can see the tokenomics, very simple. 20% going to the pre-sale, 25% pre-sale staking, 20 to marketing, 10 to centralized and decentralized exchanges, and another 25% to the meme vault ecosystem. You've got a very easy 3-step tutorial on how to connect and buy Crypto All-Stars here. And then down here, right? How does the staking work? What is meme vault? All of this. This one I want to focus on. Which coins? So if you guys are a holder of Pepe, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu coin, Floki, Brett, Mog, Milady, Turbo, Toshi, Kokinu, Bonk. If you guys own any of these coins here, you're going to be able to earn ridiculously high rewards by staking them in the meme vault. I believe that this is an incredible opportunity, even if you don't necessarily want to own stars. Right, but you are heavily invested in Dogecoin or Shiba Inu coin and so on. You know that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin are not going to just rug out from under you. You can continue to hold them, but you can earn crazy good rewards by staking through this meme vault here, no matter which meme coins you own. This is very innovative. I believe this is going to bring a lot of meme coin holders together, and I believe Crypto All-Stars could really provide a lot of value for a lot of people, not just in capital gains, but the awesome staking rewards as well. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.